Hi, family detectives. Mission 8, their community. Now that we know roughly where your ancestors lived, it's time to explore what that place was actually like for them. A few things worth investigating. Churches, often the centre of community life, and usually where births, marriages, and deaths were recorded long before civil registration began. Schools. School records can reveal ages, attendance, even family circumstances. Workhouses. For many families, especially in harder times, workhouse records can reveal difficult but important chapters for a family's story. And simply exploring local history and village life, population size, main industries, what daily life would have looked like in that specific place and time. Understanding the community your ancestors lived in turns a name on a map into a real place with real texture. The church they might have been christened in, the school their children attended, the industry that shaped daily life. Your mission this week: research one place your ancestors lived, look into its history, its main industries, and what life might have looked like there during your ancestors' lifetime. And I'd love to know, what did you discover about the community your family lived in? Share it in the comments. Happy researching.